Careful now, the line snapped. We've got to keep it steady.
I see a faster route. Let me guide you.
Stay focused. We'll fix the rig and keep the cargo secure. The shaking line is making it harder to hold steady.
Watch out! The hook is sliding. Let's act quickly. I'll adjust here. Keep an eye on the clock for the next move.
Looking good. The smarter route is holding steady so far.
The rig's almost set. Stay sharp. We're nearly there. On your signal, I'll guide us through safely. We've got one chance. Let's lock it in. Steady!
The cargo's secure. We made it together.
What a ride! That smarter route really paid off.